Does anyone else have a friend that never responds to any of the videos they send them? It's literally like you're trying to converse with a brick wall because they just refuse to say anything. You could have just watched the most funny video ever and you're thinking, oh man, my friend would love this. Then you send it to them and it's just crickets. Like, you can't at least give me a little laughing emoji to make me feel good? And the worst part is, I know he doesn't even watch them because I've sent him a video before that said, send this video to your friend, and if they don't respond with the skull emoji, they don't watch the videos you send them. And you know what happened when I sent him that video? Nothing. The crazy part is, I still send him videos every day knowing that he's not gonna respond because I'm just hoping that one day he'll actually watch the video and respond with something like a laughing emoji. When that happens, it'll make all the videos that I've sent him that he ignored worth it. It's never